Aha! Ice Cube, come on down. You can be my ally.
Thanks for making me pencil and Mummy into her ally.
Then I choose pencil.
Okay then. Who should I choose, Ice Cube?
I don't know. It's up to you.
Okay, then I'll choose TD. The silent type, right? What? Don't you not talk?
Teardrop must be stupid. She doesn't even know how to talk yet.
Flower, be nice.
Snowball, you're strong. Beat her up. What? You won't? What a wimp.
That flower is starting to really get on my nerves. Oh, Flower, I'll do it. I'll beat her up.
Uh-oh. No way. Not again.
Go, Blackie.
Okay, Pen's turn.
Say bubble. Bubble.
Yeah. How about Needle?
Okay.
Since Match is in our alliance, we choose her. Gasp, they remembered.
Come on, people. Pick a boy.
How about Snowball?
Ooh, they're in love.
No, Blackie. I like Coiny more.
Wow. Say that?
I didn't mean to. Pen, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, pen.
Settle down. Now it's time to pick someone else.
Look, I'm sorry. Is it really that big of a deal?
Fiery, get over here.
I can approve of
And what
that.
makes you Yeah, Max, you made a good choice.
Yeah, right. As if. Okay, who's left?
There's always TB. He's smart.
Back to Pen's team.
Well, gee. I don't know.
Come on, Pen. Choose.
I don't know. They're all pretty bad. First of all, I wouldn't choose Flower for obvious reasons. Eraser thinks he's too cool to do anything. Blocky the way. He's got issues. Oh, fat and smelly. Go for two boxes.
Wow.
So then, who'll it be?
Eraser is the least horrible, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, you know how Flower gets angry at everyone? I don't like where this is going, but yeah. Well, if the other team gets her, she'll become more of an enemy, right? Yeah. So it would just be common sense to choose her for our team. Seriously? Yeah, I agree. See? I knew TB and GB had a crush on each other. TB, GB, sitting in a tree. Kissing. Shut it, Connie. I only like tennis ball in a platonic way.
Back to Pen's team.
Well, we definitely don't want to pick
Sorry, Woody. I choose Rocky.
Oh no!
Okay, teams are settled then. Now, teams, choose your team name. Come on, just choose. Okay, then I'll choose. Pen's team, you'll be called the Squishy Cherries. And Beefy's team, you are the Squishy Grapes. The first contest is to build a boat, get in it, and row it across the Boy Canal. If you are the first to cross the line, your team wins. The other team loses, and one of their members gets kicked out of the game.
I want to try this
It's too confusing to work.
I don't care what you say, I'm still trying.
I could push you off if I wanted to.
You're lying. You wouldn't do that. You're tiny, teeny, tiny little brain.
Uh-oh.
Be more careful.
Pretty foxy, but okay. Yeah.
I'm waiting for that yacht.
Yeah.
These are our oars? Cool. I'm an oar.
Let's get in. Motor.
Still waiting.
So going to win.
Flower, your yacht is drifting away. I'm not gonna jump onto it.
I feel bad.
Well, oh well. I'm starting the motor. Don't keep me underwater for 30 seconds. Leak! Huh?
Yeah, stay there. We need a plug. Huh?
Oh, this is just great. There's too much weight on this sinking boat. We have to throw someone overboard.
Huh? Guys, the finish is just 20 or so yards away. We can swim there. But I can't swim.
Come on, Match. Come swim with us.
I can't. I have no energy left.
People, the other team is also getting close. Pin, slow down. Whoa, whoa.
And Pin's team, the Squishy Cherries, win. Which means one of the squashy grapes is going home. It's time for you viewers out there to decide. Here are the people on the Squashy Grapes team. Needle, Rocky, Teardrop, Leafy, Flower and Golf Ball, Queenie, Snowball, Ice Cube and Tennis Ball. Who'll leave first on BFDI? I don't know, but it's up to you guys to decide.